Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. We are driving into the essential concept in programming language. So in this video we will talk about the identifier. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, understanding identifier is fundamental to writing the clean, readable and efficient code. So let's get started. So first we will try to understand that what is identifier. At its core, an identifier is a name given to a variable, function, class, or any other user-defined element in programming language. It serves as a unique label, allowing us to refer to work with different elements in our code. Also, you have to remember that to give a name of identifier, it's have a naming rule. You cannot give arbitrary name of a variable or a function name or a class name or other user-defined element. Identifiers follow specific naming rules. They usually start with a letter. It can be uppercase or it can be lowercase. So you have to define that throughout your programming language. Okay, so you may use the uppercase or you may use the lowercase or an underscore. The characters that you can include, that is, you can include letters, you can include digits or underscore. But in few programming language, you cannot start a variable name with digit like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to use the digit, then you have to use the in middle of the letter. Okay. Also, you can use the underscore. It's important to note that most programming languages are case sensitive. So that's why you have to remember that this particular variable name and this particular variable name is different, because here the n is capital but here the n is a small letter. So that is two different identifier. So you have to remember that some programming languages are case sensitive. Now let's look at some examples. Variable identifier could be something like count if it is counting something, or it can be total amount if you are going to calculate some amount. If you want to assign it to total amount, then you can use the identifier total amount. Also, you can, if you want to create a function name, then you can use the calculate total or get user data. So this way you can give the function name. As well as in the world of classes, you might have the identifier like person if you are handling the person related information, or you are creating a class which is related to a person, then you can use the name as a person. Also, if you are working with a car class, then you can give the name of the class as car. You have to remember few points that for each and every word you cannot use in the programming language, because certain words are reserved in the programming language and these reserved keywords cannot be used as an identifier because they have special meaning in the language. For example, you cannot use if as an identifier, else as an identifier, while as an identifier, class as an identifier. So these keywords are reserved. These are having special meanings in the programming language. Giving a good identifier is very much important for the readability and best practices. Choosing meaningful and descriptive identifier is crucial for code readability. Clean and concise names make your code more understandable and maintainable both for yourself and others who may read and collaborate on your code. So in conclusion, I can say that identifiers are the building blocks of your code. They provide a way to name and reference elements, making your code more readable and maintainable. As you continue your programming language journey, keep in mind the importance of choosing meaningful identifiers. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. So happy coding. Thanks for watching this video.